Hey there! Finally, sun's out. First warm days here, so it's perfect timing to start preparing for upcoming season. Last years were fully focused on travels, but this year there is a chance to be more in Poland, do projects locally and do more things with Defender 90, like events, weddings or Land Rover gatherings. And what's the plan for today? Today I'm visiting my buddy in his detailing garage and we're gonna clean the 90, polish it and put ceramic coat. Tom is an expert, so probably my part will be more like watching, learning and documenting that. In the meantime, I will do one thing to finish the interior, which means finish the project. Before restoration, that was military car, so in the middle of the dashboard there was a 6-way switch, and right now it's 300 PDI, standard one, so the panel fascia was the missing part. Let's change it and let's work on it.
Let's start from the beginning. Preparing the car for proper cleaning and polishing. Seat covers out, spare wheel out, and the car is ready for polishing. I've never been into detailing, ceramic coats and all that stuff, but I decided to try it out to make cleaning much faster and easier. While Tom was doing his job, I started mine, installing a new panel fascia from Exmoor Trim in black, perfect finish for the dashboard and something that I had in mind since the very beginning of this project. After unmounting the dashboard in my silver Puma, I was prepared for at least one day job, but here it went quite smoothly. After just an hour, it was mounted. I simply loosened the upper part of the dashboard, slotted the new panel in, screwed everything back together, and the job was done. And let's go back to the detailing process. As the polishing came to an end, we started preparing to apply the ceramic coat. Everything was done precisely, step by step, we were getting closer to the finish line. After applying the coat, we left the car for around 8 hours to let the process do its work. And that's the final result. And here is what we did shortly after the job was done. Together with my girlfriend Monika, we went for a dinner in a scenic spot.